Welcome viewers, this is Obelinks Repairs. On today's lesson, we are going to demonstrate how to clean your gas stoves, burners, and how to inspect your hose pipes and regulators, and how to ensure you don't have soot on your cooking pots or sufurias. Remember that anytime you notice that your gas stove is producing a yellow flame like this one, and that your cooking pots are turning black after cooking, it means your stove needs servicing. For optimum performance, your stove needs to produce a pale blue flame all the time. Good. Let's move on to the hose pipes and regulator. When checking your regulator, make sure it is firmly secure on the cylinder valve. To check if your pipe is okay, you need to squeeze along the pipe to ensure there are no cracks. As you can see, because of the yellow flame, the sufuria or cooking pot has a lot of soot, which does not look good. The next step is cleaning the burners. When cleaning the burners, start by taking out the grill plates. Take all the grill plates out. Then take out the burners. These are the burners. And turn your stove upside down. The purpose of turning the stove upside down is to check the orits to ensure they are set correctly and have the right tension. The orits are responsible for controlling the airflow and gas mix to ensure it's working properly. You also have to ensure the burner outlets are clean. To ensure the burner outlets are clean, you need a wire brush. Start by scrubbing the burners on top vigorously using a wire brush. Next, use a poking tool or a poking nail to unblock the dirt that is in the burner outlets. As you can see, after using the poking tool and wire brush, when you shake the burner, a lot of dirt will come out. This is the dirt that is blocking your burners, which is causing the yellow flame. Once you're done with that, you can take back the burners and refix them on your. As you can see, after cleaning the burners, we now have a pale blue flame and the yellow flame has disappeared. You can now test your cooking pot to see if there is any soot. As you can see, after cleaning the burners, there was no yellow flame, and right now you can see there is no soot on the cooking pots. Thank you for viewing this video. Visit www.obelinksrepairs for more details. Like our Facebook page and visit our social media sites. Until the next lesson, goodbye.